Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has alleged a massive vote fraud in Haryana Assembly election that was held last year. The Congress leader has alleged that 25 lakh votes were stolen in Haryana, which has a total of 2 crore voters. Speaking in a press conference today, Rahul Gandhi shared 22 entries in the Haryana voter list with a woman's photograph. He claimed that the photograph of a Brazilian model named Matheus Ferraro appeared 22 times in the voter list under different names: Sweetie, Seema, Saraswati. He added that the Brazilian voted in 10 different booths in Haryana and she has got multiple names. Citing another case of duplication, he pointed to the 100 voter IDs with the same woman's photograph in a single assembly segment. The Congress leader showed another woman's photograph that appears 223 times in the voter list of 2 polling booths. While alleging Election Commission of helping BJP to win elections, Rahul Gandhi said, Election Commission can remove duplicates in a second. Why didn't they do it? Meanwhile, Election Commission of India has termed Rahul Gandhi's vote manipulation allegation as unfounded and maintained that no appeals were filed against the electoral rules in Haryana.
Where is she from? Try. Give me some guesses. Kahan ki lagti hai? Anybody? Goa? Maharashtra? North? Is she from Haryana? You sure? You're absolutely sure she's not from Haryana? Okay, but she votes 22 times in Haryana. And she votes in 10 different booths in Haryana. And she's got multiple names: Seema, Sweetie, Saraswati, Rashmi, Vimla. Now what's interesting about this and why I'm opening with this slide. So last guesses, I'm going to give a prize if anybody can guess this. Anybody? She's from Brazil. She's a Brazilian model. One question: what is a Brazilian woman doing on the electoral list of Haryana? Now you're looking surprised, like, what is this? There's a logic. There's a reason. Why is she being allowed to vote 100 times? Why is a picture on 100 records? This is to create space so that anybody can vote, so that BJP people can move and vote. They can come from other states and vote. This is all to create space. And I'm going to show it to you and prove it to you without any doubt. You're going to walk out of this room saying, I have no doubt about what Mr. Gandhi said.